Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to say text to audio in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your CapCut. Now select your picture or video. Press on text. Now go to text to audio. Now here you have to enter your text. Press on done. Now select your voice. Now press on next. Set your text. That's it. So this is how to say text to audio in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.